Hello Internet! Today is a new day and new kind of repair. This Acer laptop, codenamed Predator, came from a viewer who already tried to send it out for repair due to lack of charging. Laptop came without a fix and it started crashing under load. That's the story behind it, and now it's here. Big thanks to the previous repair center for leaving the bottom cover loose. Don't know what happened to all the screws. If you have them, please let me know. Anyway, the reason why this laptop ended up in the service center to begin with was because the battery was not charging. Problem wasn't fixed, but a new problem emerged. Laptop started crashing under load, and now it's here. Let's see if a complete noob in laptop repairs can find a problem. Owner is smart, already supplied me with 2 chargers, in case one is bad, so let's plug it in and see what's going on. I will plug the charger into this amp meter to see if charger is drawing any amps. Plug it in, and I immediately notice connection is loose, and the LED on the laptop is flickering when I move the cable around, so this charger is no good. Now let's switch to another charger and try again. Looks like the LED stays on, and we are ready to continue to power this thing on and see if we can crash it, and when. I'll start with the GPU-Z to monitor temperatures, and then I'll run Valley at a small resolution to see if we can crash it under small load. I will now increase the resolution and try again. No crashes there. Let's try Formark. There we have it. We have a crash. The LED indicator is no longer reacting to the charger, so my guess is we've just killed this laptop and the charger too. Goodbye.
But wait! There's more!
The back of the laptop feels warm to touch, so let's take a look. Let's see if the first power transistor is shorted. This is the first power transistor in line from the charger port, and it has a drain and source shorted. And the gate also shorted to both drain and source, meaning this transistor stays closed all the time and never opens. Battery voltage check, 0. This partially explains the charging problem, and until I replace that transistor, there's no way to know for sure. Meanwhile, let's remove this transistor and verify our diagnosis. No more shorts anywhere on the board, but on the transistor, everything is as shorted as before. With that done, I'll mark the bad charger with a no gooder sign, wait for the transistor, and let's look at the battery. Previously I measured exactly 0 volt on this battery even when it was plugged in and the laptop running. And if the battery is below certain voltage, it will not charge, but I think we can try to give it a wake-up call. Starting from 1 volt, no reaction there. 2 volt, nothing. Let's go above 5. Nada. Alright, enough is enough. Let's give this guy 15 volt as per voltage written on the label and see how it likes it.
Clear!
Whoa, that draws well over 2.5 amps instantly. I gotta limit the power to maybe 1 amp to avoid viewer desired explosions. Sorry, maybe next time. And I'll keep it there for a few seconds, just to show that the internal resistance is now dropping and voltage on the screen is rising as a result. And now let's check the battery for voltage, and we have 12 volt. Woohoo! Great job, everyone. Unfortunately, we'll have to wait for that transistor to arrive before finishing this repair, so I'll see you in a month. Hopefully the manager that fired me for false accusations won't throw me in jail accusing me of false accusations. Because if she does, no one will ever hire me and I will have to do business myself for the rest of my life, which at this point I hope isn't very long anyway. Goodbye.